Welcome to the SealXpert video presentation. Today, we are going to show you how to use the SealStick Quick Cure Epoxy Stick with the SealXpert stainless steel pipe clip. Typically, this method of repair is applied to arrest active pipe leaks. The SealXpert stainless steel pipe clip consists of a 30 meters coil of stainless steel band, 25 sets of adjustable fasteners and 10 pieces of splices. First of all, measure the pipe diameter or circumference, and cut the stainless steel pipe clip to the required size. The stainless steel pipe clip can be applied for pipe diameter between 50 mm and 9.7 meters. Slot the end of the adjustable fasteners one to each end of the stainless steel band. Use a PVC tape to tape and secure both joints. Use a hexagonal screwdriver to connect both ends of the adjustable fasteners. Do not use the flat screwdriver, as the tightening strength will not be sufficient. Next, clean and rough. Whenever possible, you should use a mechanical power tool, for example a used brush and sander, to perform surface preparation works. After the surface preparation is completed, the surface should be free of loose particles, rust and debris. Also ensure that the surface is free of oil, grease and chemicals. In this video, we are using hand tool, wire brush and sand belt for illustration purposes. In the oil and gas and offshore industry, surface preparation follows a more stringent requirement. It is necessary to ensure prepared surfaces comply to international standards, for example ST2 and surface profile to 60 microns roughness. Depending on the environment where the work is carried out, a spark-free tool may be required. Next, select the suitable type of seal stick to be used. For general purposes or application on a dry surface, you can select the SS102 steel epoxy stick. If you are applying on a wet or moist surface, you can choose the SS106 underwater epoxy stick. In this video, we are using the SS102 steel epoxy stick. Cut a suitable amount of epoxy stick. The amount of seal stick used should be at least 3 times the size of defect. Remove the plastic protective cover, mix the two components until the color is uniform. If the seal stick is applied directly on a defective surface, and you require a soft texture, you can mix the seal stick for about 3 minutes. If the seal stick is to be used together with a stainless steel pipe clip, you will need a harder texture. In such cases, you should mix the epoxy stick for at least 5 minutes until it feels warm and there is some toughness to continue kneading by hand. In this video, the seal stick is mixed for 5 minutes and the texture is beginning to harden. Apply the seal stick onto one side of a pre-cut stainless steel sheet metal of 0.3 mm or 0.4 mm thickness. Press the stainless steel sheet metal onto the defective location, with seal stick being the contact material with the pipe medium. Slide the prepared stainless steel pipe clip onto the sheet metal. Tightens the adjustable fastener, and adjust the position, ensuring that the seal stick is sitting directly above the defective location. Press along the edge of the seal stick to ensure good adhesion to the pipe surface. It will take approximately 15 minutes at an ambient temperature of 30 degrees Celsius to obtain attack-free curing. How to remove cured seal stick. After the seal stick is cured for more than 24 hours, it will attain hardness of VD. In order to remove the cured seal stick, you will need a hammer and a chisel. Rest the chisel on the section of cured seal stick that you want to remove. Hammer onto the chisel gently, so as to ensure that the surface is not damaged. For more product information, visit us at SealXpert.com.